In this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear cache in WordPress. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin. Then search here WP Faceted Cache. This is the plugin and click on install now. Plugin has been installed. Now click on activate. Scroll down, then you can see this is the plugin, and if you can see this is the plugin settings, and from the left hand side you can find the settings from here as well. So you can click here or here as well. I want to click here. This is the plugin settings page. Very first you can see the settings tab, then clear cache. So I want to clear cache, so click on this tab, clear cache. You can see this is the clear cache, clear all cache. So click on it. You can see all cache files have been deleted. All cache file have been deleted. That means the cache has been deleted. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.